early so they start getting paid.
Yeah, because they don't get same thing with the other day we were going to Jamaica and the flight was delayed. And then this liar woman come out and I go tell we so she don't know say me nothing about aviation and then space. Because I know what time it is. She come out and because the flight was sitting down there, right? She said, okay, now we're gonna go take off. Some I said take off. No, we're gonna start boarding soon. Some I said start boarding soon. We delayed for over 3 hours, and as the pilot them do not work for over a certain amount of hours. If them say the time span are 4 hours to go to Jamaica and 4 hours to come back. That is why you see them take 3.5 hours.
Yeah.
So if them slum out their way on the plane from certain time and they say time now but in there, they will cancel. Them have to go get new pilots to take them people down. Those pilots are not going on that flight. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because they're gonna be over the hours.
Yes. So they don't do that and they have to have time to sleep. Right? They don't play with them with that. So them cancel the flight. No, they not cancel them. They said that they delayed. And then when we're ready now to come hotel, we said, oh, the flight is ready, but we're waiting. We have to get new pilot because, no, they never tell us they want to get new pilot. They said, it's just technical difficulty with the plane. I said, stop lying.
Technical difficulty.
I said, stop lying. Common sense taught me that the pilot them cannot fly the 8 hours done because by the time this is almost 12 o'clock and this flight supposed to leave from 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
And if they have to go find a flight that will take them in a certain time span. You understand? So say for instance them will go Montreal, which is a 2-hour flight. Them would have go with that and get them and them now with the 8 hours to go in.
Yeah.
So that's what they did and I'm like, oh, I went in the flight now and I said, oh, you guys delayed for so long. She goes, oh yeah, the time the pilot, one deck right girl now on the plane. These are the one where they stand up at the desk, you know. I tell my foolishness and I'm like, I just shut her down. I'm like, no, you're talking to the wrong person. No, that didn't happen. The pilot's time expired.
Yeah.
It's 8 hours within back and forth. Landing and coming back is 8 hours. So how? So when I went on the plane with the lady, I said, oh, the pilot time expired. I said, I know. And she's like, oh, you know? I'm like, yeah. Don't ask me about my erosis, no. But, you know, it's just common sense. Nothing wrong with, see nobody up on the plane. See nobody underneath the plane and it have technical difficulty, you have sense?
Yeah, I know.
Like, are you stupid? And number one, they're not going to send that plane up.
Okay.
Don't come to me with your lying mouth. I don't shut her down to feel. I don't know what you walk on, but I know that you feel embarrassed. I don't care. Don't come to me with your lying tongue. Don't do it. No, seriously.